Children, today we will continue with English. We will discuss today new poem Vocation. So I request you all, please open your English textbook page number 109. On your own way to school or market, you see many people at work in pairs. This is what you have noticed. Then read this poem. You may read it aloud with a partner if you like. So children, when you are going to home or from home to school, you can see so many people on the way for their work. They were going for their work. So of this kind of story, or a child, what he is thinking about these all people, about that in this poem we will discuss. So first I will read poem for you and then I will explain you. So please pay attention. When the gong sounds 10 in the morning and I walk to school by our lane, every day I meet the hawker crying, "Bangles, crystal bangles." There is nothing to hurry him on. There is no road he must take, no place he must go to, no time when he must come home. I wish I were a hawker spending my day in the road crying, "Bangles, crystal bangles." When at 4 in the afternoon I come back from the school, I can see through the gate of that house the gardener digging the ground. He does what he likes with his spade. He soils his clothes with dust. Nobody takes him to task if he gets baked in the sun or gets wet. I wish I were a gardener digging away at the garden with nobody to stop me from digging. Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sends me to bed, I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. The lane is dark and lonely, and the street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. The watchman swings his lantern and walks with his shadow at his side, and never once goes to bed in his life. I wish I were a watchman walking the street all night, chasing the shadow with my lanterns. So children, here in this poem, poet is trying to say, while on the way to the school or even at home, the child meets a hawker, gardener and a watchman. So in this poem, the child speaks of them, that the hawker sells the bangles, the gardener digs the soil, and the watchman keeps watch at night. He feels envious of them because they all seem free while he is not. He was thinking that all are free to go home, whatever they want to do they are doing, nobody is telling them don't do like this and all. So he was thinking that they are free as I am. Every day on his way to school, he sees a hawker selling bangles. He seems to choose any road he likes. He has no fixed time even of returning home. The child hawker. From the gate of his house, he sees the gardener digging and soiling his clothes. No one asks him not to dig ground all his clothes. He is so free that the child aspires to be a gardener. The child was thinking that gardener is free to dig anything, any garden. At night, through the open window of his room, he sees the watchman moving up and down the lane. No one tells the watchman that it is night and he must go to bed. The child wishes to be a watchman. So children, child was thinking that the gardener was free to dig soil. The bank hawker is free to go anywhere. He is not having any fixed time to go home. The watchman also, at night nobody is telling him to go to sleep. So this way he was thinking that they are free for their life, and he is not. So that is why child wish to be a hawker or gardener or watchman. So children, of these poems, meanings and question answers we will discuss in the next video. Till then, you have to write this poem in your English classwork notebook with beautiful handwriting and read the poem. Thank you.